If you want to burn fat while standing at home, strengthen your core, and switch your body into full power mode, then there's only one exercise you need: high knees. Yes, you heard that right. This move may look simple, but it wakes up every part of your body like fire. What do high knees actually do? When you drive your knees upward at speed, your heart rate skyrockets, your breathing intensifies, and the fat-burning engine kicks in. But it doesn't stop there. High knees activate your core muscles, hip flexors, and lower abs in a way most exercises can't. It's a killer combo of cardio plus strength. How to do high knees properly. Stand straight with feet shoulder width apart. Lift your knees one at a time, as high as possible, ideally to chest level. Pump your arms in a running motion. This helps with balance. Start slow, then increase speed, but always maintain clean form. Pro tip: if you get tired quickly, start with 20 seconds and rest for 10. Gradually build up your time and intensity. What are the benefits of high knees? Rapid belly fat burn, stronger core muscles, boosted stamina and endurance, and most importantly, a massive confidence boost. And the best part? No gym, no equipment, just your floor and your fire. So starting today, take the high knees challenge. 3 rounds daily, 30 to 40 seconds per round. In just 7 days, you'll start feeling the difference. Comment below, challenge accepted. And don't forget to subscribe for more bodyweight workouts like this one.